alternative to mashing the sausages would be to cut it into smaller pieces from the get-go. Mix it until the sausages are distributed throughout the spaghetti. Now it's time for your seasonings. Time to add more seasoning. Once you add the egg, you want to frequently turn the pasta so the egg can be evenly mixed throughout the dish. Also, you're doing this so that the pasta doesn't stick. You know the dish is done when the egg is fully cooked, and as you're turning it, you no longer see any raw egg. Taste the dish to see if you need to add more salt or other seasonings.
It's done. It's done.